Okay, 5 things you aren't doing at your open houses. This is one I talk to agents about all the time, and very few of them actually do it. If you are, especially if you're a new agent, you really don't know your neighborhoods yet, school systems, stuff like that. So when you're doing open houses, this is a great opportunity for a couple of reasons. Number one, set up showings for yourself, like agent previews for your house on other active properties in the neighborhood. Go look at them, like print out sheets and like do showings for yourself and take notes. Here's why. A couple of reasons. Number one, you're going to learn the area and neighborhood. You're going to learn average price per square foot. You're going to learn what people typically are doing for remodels, how old the neighborhood is, all those things. So you're going to become more knowledgeable. And so you can share that knowledge with other people that are going to come into your open house, with potential clients that are coming into your open house. So it makes you look more knowledgeable and it helps you actually become more knowledgeable. So I highly recommend that you go look at other properties.
Yeah, this is one reason why former school teachers or people that were stay-at-home moms or dads, and the kids are a little bit older now, so they're going back into the workforce. That's why they make great realtors, because they know everything about the school zones, about the neighborhoods, about what things are going on around them. So that's one of the reasons, is because they're so plugged in.
So yes, look at those active properties. Number 2, that's you.
Knocking on doors around the neighborhood to invite your neighbors. This is super, super important. The more that you can get involved with the neighborhood, know what homes are for sale around you, know what other people's homes are like, know more to get more people into your open house, the more plugged in you're going to be. It's a step further from the one we just went over on step number 1. So it's really just getting more plugged in to understand more about what's around you in that neighborhood. And I think you talked about this on one of our episodes. It's just being that number one go-to person in that one neighborhood is what's going to get you future listings.
There's no question about it. It gives you a chance to highlight your professionalism, because if people are going, when it's time to list their house, they're going to go, I want to work with the realtor who went around and talked to everybody.
Exactly.
Right. So it's an opportunity for you to highlight your professionalism. Okay. Number 3, get enough directional signs from multiple angles. You can't really do too many. Pointing people towards your open house. Are they going to get stolen? Yes. So I recommend doing it like on Saturday before. So that way you have less likely. But go stick them up, multiple entrances to drive people to your open house. One of the things that I do as a coach is I'll get close to an intersection and see if the open house signs will take me to the house. So make sure you're putting up enough directional signs. Okay. Number 4.
Building rapport with everyone. One thing that you can do to quickly damage rapport is put a sign-up sheet in front.
Yeah.
That's an instant, just like turn off. If somebody walks in the door and they've got to sign in, they just want to instantly walk out.
Yeah, goes against conventional wisdom, but I'd rather you walk away with 3 good connections than 10 names and numbers on a sign-in sheet, because it means you didn't build that rapport.
Yeah, and one great way to do it, and we've talked about this on a previous episode, is give them some homework, right? So ask people that are walking around the house, hey, go look at the remodel bathroom. That's the exact example we used in a previous episode. They're going to go look at that remodel bathroom, and guess what? They're going to come back and they'll be like, hey, I liked what they did there. I like how they extended the shower. I like how they put in the clawfoot tub, whatever. But it's just going to have them give them a reason to come back and talk to you, so you can kind of open the door on future conversation.
Exactly. And if I've built rapport, that gives me the opportunity to do number 5 and not forget about it, which is follow up. Basically, it's as simple as, hey, great meeting you guys yesterday. Here's what I heard that you were looking for. I just wanted to make sure I got that dialed in, so that if anything pops up, I will send it to you. If that fits that category, I'll send it to you. And I got so much great feedback from that and picked up so many clients that way, just by doing that additional follow-up, helping that person feel heard, and connecting them to the right house.
Yeah, what they're going to say is, I went to 6 open houses that day, and you're the only one that called me today.
That's exactly right. Make sure you follow up. All right, guys, do those 5 things, and your conversion rates and your sales will go up. Thanks.
Thanks.